I'm standing at the front of our latest client. This is MyFit Fridge, and they've only opened today. We installed the point of sale system yesterday. MyFit Fridge are a specialist food-based company for healthy lifestyle people, and they have really nailed this. This is absolutely fantastic. Here's all their meals in here, all freshly prepared. You can eat them here or buy them by the week. MyFit Fridge, you come in for a coffee. There's Dan and Lance, and this is Jordana, who is the owner of the business, and David, one of their employees. And this is the MyFit Fridge promise, their pledge. So this is the official opening today. Things are really happening. Very, very exciting. Very proud to be associated with MyFit Fridge.